Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea Kunal Kapoor. Start by boiling fresh water and preparing loose leaves or a tea bag. Measure 1 teaspoon of leaves per cup and warm your teapot or cup. Pour boiling water over leaves and steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on taste and tea type. Strain leaves, add milk or sugar if desired, and serve immediately while hot. Making great tea is about heat, timing, and good leaves. Use filtered water and bring it to a boil for black tea or just under boil for green tea. Pre-warm your cup to maintain temperature. Use 1 teaspoon of leaves per cup and a little more for stronger tea. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes for black tea and 2 to 3 minutes for green tea. Taste and adjust as you go. Customize your cup with milk, sugar, honey, or spices for warmth and sweetness. To make masala chai, bruise whole spices and simmer briefly with milk and tea leaves for richer flavor. If you prefer a lighter cup, use less leaves and shorter steeping time. Always taste before adding extras so you control sweetness and strength. Serve in warmed cups and enjoy with a snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.